Okay, so every hole the guys behind us pull up on us before we hit. Well, what's funny, they're super cool dudes, but they all vape. They all have the vape. So when they roll up, all I hear is there's 4 of them just vaping away. And I look back and there's just smoke everywhere. It's like a Cheech and Chong movie behind me. It's hilarious.
Hey man, am I driving okay?
I think we're parked, man.
So I'm trying out this service called Forelinx. It's a golf booking service where you pay a monthly fee and you're given points. And you select the level of points you're going to use every month, and then there's a monthly fee associated with that amount of points. What I like is that whatever points you don't use each month, they roll over to the next month. So you decide how many points you want to use, you select the tee time that you want, and then you book your reservation. And everything is paid at this point. So when you go in the pro shop, all you have to do is just check in and you're in and out of there in 10 seconds. They have a number of courses to choose from, primarily in the West right now, but they also have a number of destination courses and more courses coming all the time. Forelinx is super easy to use. I will leave a link in the description below for Forelinx. Check them out and see if it's something that might work for you. Okay, today we're on course at the Los Verdes golf course in Los Verdes, which is kind of in Palos Verdes. It's on the coast, Pacific coast. It's near the Terranea Resort and the Trump National Golf Course. Those are the 2 most famous courses around here. But this is like your municipal golf course. It's like 30, 40 bucks to play. So beautiful day, we're gonna hit it, let's go. Okay, in case you don't know why people come here all the time, it's one of the most played courses in America. All that, it's Pacific Ocean, awesome. The downside is they allow fivesomes here. Not a big fan of that, all right? It just slows down everything. But it's such a gorgeous place, you can kind of get past that. Love it. So its first hole is a par 5, big dogleg left, short hole. But we're up next, we're gonna see if we can't crush one down there. Not bad, heeled it a little bit, should be fine. Might be in the bunker though down there. Check it out. All right, here we go, 230 to the pin. Hybrid, little cut shot in there. Should be on the left side of the green. Good time to let you know, I went with my Vokey SM7s today. There's a lot of kikuyu out here, so I like the way this setup, the Vokeys shoot through the kikuyu grass really well. So I'm gonna stick with that. For my shot here, I'm going 60-degree wedge. It's a little uphill. Nope, changed my mind. Going 54. Hey. It's an easy birdie hole. Short par 5, big dog leg though. You just gotta not be in that bunker. As beautiful as it is, this is what you have to deal with here. There's 4 groups on this hole. One of the green, one of the fairway. There's us, and then there's these guys who just pulled up. It's gonna be a while. Oh no. No good, no good. Okay, this is totally the exact position I was in on the first hole. It's my ball. I'm in the exact same spot. I'm just going the other way now. Okay, I got 125. I just got to go over this tree. It's a huge tree. You can't see the top of it. There's a little opening. I'm gonna see what I got. I got a pitching wedge. Oh, I hit the tree. Just hit the top of the tree. Just came short of the green. Got to get up and down now. Okay, just just right here. It's kind of a chunky lie. I'm gonna go with the 54 again. Open it up a touch. Just kind of chunk it up there. Oh, it stopped too soon. Pretty good, just spun a lot. Stopped it really good. Hit it too hard. That was one of those birdie bogey starts. The putt, you know, this happens sometimes. The two people ahead of me didn't hit it hard enough and the ball broke and didn't get to the hole, and it broke hard left. So I just crushed it and hit it right through the break. You know, I let the what happened before me influence me too much. We'll deal with that and we'll make adjustments as we go, all right? Just remember that, little tip about watching your partners too closely.
Looks awful good. Nice shot.
Thank you. 6 iron, should be good. I have only a few pet peeves out on the golf course. Unfortunately, right now, all of them are happening at once. One of them being people driving up on you on the tee box when you're about to hit. 2 is when you hit a bad shot and you can't see the green, you can't shoot the flag, and you gotta run up the hill and figure it out. 3, when you pull your Achilles and you can't run very well. And 4, when a tree is right in my way. Do I play a draw or fade? 187. I'm going 4 iron giant cut. Downhill lie to a front pin, 60-degree wedge. Nice shot, look at that. There's a reason we do that towel drill. I'll put a link to that right up here, okay? It's because of that shot I just had back there on that hard pan, and we had to pick right to left or left to right. If you do that towel drill, then you'll be able to know which shot you could pull off every single time. And it got me right in front of the green. That's why you work on your short game too, chip it up, and make a little 4-footer for par. So you could save a lot of shots just by doing some of the drills, like that towel drill. Okay, we got 175, little downhill. 2 groups just pulled up behind us. I'm gonna hit a 6 iron. Got a little quick, missed it way right. Good thing it's a par 5, that's all I gotta say. I might be on a green over there. Or worse. Just fighting my swing a little bit right now. I don't know why. So I haven't hit good drives. My irons are pretty solid. And my short games have been pretty tight. So that's why I say always keep your short game work. You know, make sure you practice your short game all the time. Because that can stay consistent. And that's a good thing right now, because that's what I'm leaning on. My drives are just all over the planet right now. Okay, this is bad. But I'm gonna punch it with the 3-wood under the tree and just try to get it far down as possible. Okay, about 240 into the wind. 3rd shot, par 5, 3-wood again. That's my ball right there. The flag's over here. I'm going 7 iron. Okay, that hole literally and figuratively beat me up. Not only did I bang it in the trees a few times and take a double bogey, but when I was driving the cart, I thought it was just like some leaves, like a little bendy branch. Turns out it was a giant thick branch. And the cart pushed it, and then it shot through the window of the cart and whacked me right in the face. So it looked like, it literally punched me in the face. Right there. Still got like pine needles all inside my shirt. And little branches in my cart. Caught the heel in the rough, turned over the club, pulled it way left.
Nice pot.
81 yards, second shot, going 54 degrees, try to flight it down a little bit, get it close. Little indecision on my part, didn't give it everything. It was a little downwind, kind of threw me off. I should have went with the 60, just off the green. Gonna putt it though. I'm going for the green. 305.
Oh yeah.
Oh, turn left. Good break, just went a little past the hole actually, and I got a good look going back up toward the flag. 54 degree out of this messed up lie. Oh. Going 9-iron, feels like a 9-iron. I'm not exactly sure where to aim on this hole. The pin is back over here somewhere. Totally thinned it. There was a root right in front of my ball, so I didn't want to kill myself. Okay, I'm gonna have a tough up and down here. I'm in the bunker. I could do it. Let's see what we got. This would be their signature hole. 7-iron. Thanks.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I have about 210 all uphill to the flag. I'm going with the hybrid 20 degree. All right, here's my my recap as I wait once again in the 18th fairway, trying to hit my second shot. I booked on Forelinx, so that was awesome. That was easy, didn't have to pay when I got here. I love that service. If you haven't tried them, I'll leave a link below. Check them out. They're definitely awesome and something that you might want to consider. Los Verdes, the course is cool. It's a fun course, beautiful ocean, all that is good. It is one of the most played golf courses in the country. And I think a few years it ranked #1 as the most played golf course in the country. So the condition is pretty much what you would expect for like a city-owned course. The city needs to do a better job on their golf course, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's cheap, price is very inexpensive, very playable. I would come here at least once. I have been here when it's been really fast paced. It's really like 6 a.m. is kind of the number, but that was 15 years ago. I don't know what it's like today. All right, so pretty good round, 3 over par today. Not my favorite, but had a rough hole physically. That's it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and hit the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you in the next video.